So, you have a newer style GM performance car, you're looking to run E85 or possibly even some other performance parts, and you're wondering how you can get it done. My name is Nick here with Scoggin-Dickey. Today's technical video is actually covering a company we do business with, DSX Tuning. And we really like doing business with these guys for many reasons. One of them is they make some really great quality products. And one of the more popular products that they make is these E85 Sensor Kits that are made for all sorts of cars, whether you're doing a C7, this is for a 6th gen Camaro, a 3rd gen CTSV, stuff like that. These are a great all-inclusive kit to add a E85, a flex fuel sensor, to read E85 into your car, tune it so you can get the benefits for some of y'all that can run some corn. And one of the things is, you heard me talk about in other videos, say Chevrolet Performance. One of the reasons I like their products is because, man, the quality is through the roof. And I gotta tell you, I wish y'all were here with me to see this in your own hands. This is such a high quality piece, down from the fittings to this beautiful AN hose with this heat shrink on the end to really just tidy everything up. Of course, it uses the same GM sensor that we sell here. This little pigtail harness and even this wire here, everything is made just like factory and is super high quality. I'm very impressed when I look at their products. And they include everything that you need to know too. They even include a little bit of a pinout and some very simple instructions to hook this up. You do have to connect this one pin into your harness, not a big deal at all. They explain how to do it in here and it's very simple. And this can prove to be some big benefits. We have heard from some of the LT4 powered cars, like maybe a Z01 Camaro, I think is what I have here. We actually sold one to a local customer recently. These guys are picking up big power just by going to E85, and it's something that the computer can handle. It's simple as HP Tuners, a video that we did just a few weeks ago. Your local tuner, once you put this in, will be able to get into your computer, unlock that fuel and timing table, get this turned on and tuned, and you get to pick up great gains all just by changing your fuel at the pump. And the best part is, it is truly flex fuel. So if you have half a tank of pump gas and you put half a tank of E85 and end up with E42, this reads that and adjusts accordingly. It's really a beautiful system, and the gains are really up there. Now, they make other products. This isn't the only thing they make, but everything they make is high quality like this. They also have auxiliary fuel systems. If you, on the low side of your direct injected engine, need an auxiliary fuel system, help feed some of this stuff. When you go 85, you need about 30% more fuel. You start cranking that up, you might need some help. LT4 pump and injectors if you're doing like an LT1 car, or that auxiliary pump to help feed your high pressure pump. They also have add-on kits, same thing. They are made specific to your application. And they come with the same great craftsmanship that I have here in front of me. Another thing they make, which I will admit, it's almost comical how big this pulley is. This is a lower pulley, say for a CTSV. So this is a wet sump LT4 car. And look at the size of this. I believe it says 9.84 on it right there. And they make all sorts of lower pulleys to help you fine tune your application. I'm not 100% on this, but I'm pretty sure. I believe he told us that this is just about the biggest lower pulley you can put on your engine before it hits the water pump up here, which is wild. Some of you guys that went with like a Kong ported blower, or maybe swapped to a 2650 blower on your LT4 car, and you're trying to really crank it out. These guys are going to be the go-to guys here, and we do try to keep some of their stuff here in stock, and of course, really high quality hardware included with it. If you guys are looking on some of your LT powered vehicles and even some of your later LS powered vehicles, and you need fuel system upgrades, performance upgrades, we are a DSX tuner. We're very proud to have them in our warehouse because of the quality that they offer. So if you ever have any questions about your application and how these guys can help you make more power, give us a call or look at our website, sdparts.com. Once again, we appreciate you stopping by for another one of our weekly tech videos. Please give us a like, subscribe, and share on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you found us. We're trying to spread this information as much as possible to help out hot rodders like you and me. We'll see you again for another weekly tech video next Friday. Have a good one.